Rolling.
Oh, we're rolling.
So next question, David. What happened next? You sold house number 2?
I sold house number 2, yeah.
And the invention?
So I came back, okay, so I had this great idea about the honey.
Yeah.
The honey and the beer and everything's, and I was just like, okay, that's awesome plan. All I need is the cash.
Yeah.
Right? So invention is, I tried and tried and tried and tried with no luck. So my sister calls and she says, so what, did I sell house number 2?
Yeah.
Sold house number 2 and had some money, called my sister. I'm like, I'm not that into rehabbing houses anymore. She's like, okay, Dave, why don't we open up a restaurant? She lives in Berkeley. We've got Jamaican connections for cooks. Let's open up a Jamaican place in Berkeley.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, let's do it. That'll be fun. So the next plan is build the restaurant, be successful with the restaurant, put the successful money into my brewery. So we opened up the restaurant and it was like 2 or 3 years, but no dream money.
Not a big profit.
Actually, I learned a lot though, Edwin, by running the restaurant.
Yes.
Because like, I built it, I got all the codes, I got everything. It was a huge learning experience, which was awesome, you know?
Yeah.
And I was thinking, okay, plan A was, plan A was take the invention money to build my dream.
Yeah.
Plan B is restaurant money. Restaurant was, how can I say it? Okay. Okay. Learned everything, how to all the restaurant codes, how to build it, everything like that. Was going for like 3-4 years. Breaking even, going in a little debt. My overhead was too high. That was the problem.
Yeah.
That was the problem. So I was a rookie at restaurants, you know. I was like, you know, just another one of those guys that opened up the restaurant for the first time.
Yeah.
Casualty. You know, 3 years later, good little bit of debt, and then a guy approached and said, I want to buy your restaurant from you. Sister, family said, get rid of it.
Yeah.
Let's sell it. So I got a little restaurant money, paid off my debt, and dream is dead.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm like in a corner. I have to support my family, you know. Restaurant's gone. What am I going to do? What did I do? I was in a tight spot, you know, in life.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, best thing to do right now, what people do in desperate situations in the States, let's drive a truck.
Yep.
Oh, god damn. We're gonna cut a truck, so just to do some in-camera, in-film editing.